There she go, there she go, there she go, yeah. I don't mind that girl, that's just my queen, yeah. That's just my queen, yeah. Since she hold me down, she eatin', yeah.
Hey guys, it's your girl Alex. So I am back with another video. I know it's been a while, but hey guys. So I just want to check in with you guys. As you can see, I have cut my hair. And I just want to show you guys what I do when I fluff and get ready with my current twist out routine. I just start with unraveling from the root, as you guys can see, just taking my time. And also, as you can see, I am jamming. I love to listen to music as I do this. It makes it go by faster. So as you can see, I'm just taking my time. When you go slower, you know, you avoid less frizzing. But then again, I don't mind frizz at all, so I think it looks more natural that way. But yeah, I'm just still unraveling the twist, taking my time and dancing and singing to myself in the process. Also, you guys, I just want to let you know, if you were wondering what product I use the Africa's Best Twist the Buttercream. I'll do a review on it soon, but yeah, that's the product that I've been loving lately for my twist outs. It's been really working for me lately. So if you were wondering what product I use for this. Okay, so as you can see, I've kind of unraveled a little bit, and I'm just going to use some oil just to try to tame a little bit of frizz, and also it makes it easier to separate the twist as well. So yeah, just use any oil of your choice. I believe that day it was olive oil, so that's the oil I was using there to help with unraveling my twist. So I'm just still taking my time. I know it is sped up, but I am really taking my time and separating each piece of the twist. So yeah, making sure I get each and every one, because sometimes you do miss some in the back sometimes when you're rushing. So I'm just making sure that I get every twist. I unravel each twist.
Just because she sees me with her doesn't mean I'm sleeping with her. If you're not sleeping with her, what the hell you doing with her? Or you can be just creeping with her.
Okay, who doesn't love a good Kelly Price throwback, okay? So now I'm just going to use my good old pick just to get some more volume, get at them roots, which is what I'm doing here. As you can see, the major difference that is making with this pick. So just gonna pick, get at those roots, make sure I can get it as big as possible. And now I'm just gonna style how I want to style it. I believe that day I want to try to do a side part, because I usually always wear a middle part, but I was trying something different, so I wanted to try to do it to the side that day, so that's what I'm doing. So, but you can style your twist out however you would like. Just that day I was feeling the side look, so that's what I was trying to achieve. Okay, I was trying to back up y'all so y'all can see more of my hair. I do apologize about that. And now you just want to shake. Try to get it as big as possible. Just shake that fro, fluff it, fluff. Make sure you can get it as high and as big as possible, which is what I'm trying to do right here. Okay, you guys, this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this very quick Well, I wouldn't even call it a tutorial. I just wanted to show you exactly my routine when I'm unraveling my twist out. So I hope you guys have a good week, a good weekend, a good work week, whatever day it is that you are watching this video. As always, I will see you guys in the next video. I will discuss my big chop, and have a blessed one. See you guys later. Thank you for watching. Bye.